figured out who flew it.
Yeah, he just seen the boat. Like, oh, no. It's not what I wanted.
Watch that hook.
Yeah, I got it.
That's a good one, actually.
Yeah, he is.
Big fish now.
Yeah. Never even realized what was going on. I ain't having this mess.
They smoked that from the
He's putting up a good fight.
Oh.
Dude, he just ain't having it, man. Trying to get fish. That's a dang good smallie, dude. Let me just get this out of here. I'll hand it to you and I'll get the rest of this mess figured out.
That's a good smallmouth. There's a target species place. Get you a good picture of that bad boy.
He's the owner.